Lab Companion considered user convenience as the top priority when we designed the stackable incubated shaker, and as a result, you can maximize your optimal space efficiency and control precision. Lab Companion's stackable incubated shaker can stack up to 3 levels if your experiment requires, and comes with standard accessories that you can use to build the most optimal design. Its main components include a large incubator, inspection window, door, shaking platform, and control panel, all of which are designed for the most stable structure so that a multitude of experiments with intensive shaking can be simultaneously conducted in a tight space. Lab Companion's stackable incubated shaker allows easy and safe access to the samples. With a lift-up door and slide rail platform, the user can easily check on the incubation status and replace a flask with the minimum disruption. Once all samples are loaded, the user can conveniently enter the device configuration using the touchscreen color LCD control panel and easily monitor the ongoing operation status through a large inspection window. By adopting the triple cam system and DD motors, our product achieves the minimum level vibration as well as the maximum level stability when stirring a heavy load sample. In addition, the clever design provides the platform height flexibility, allowing the most efficient use of incubation space. When stacking 3 levels, it can load up to 18 4L Erlenmeyer flasks, but still the total height would be just under 150 centimeters, allowing easy physical accessibility to sample. The control unit includes a self-diagnosis system that was designed to protect the experiment and safety from any risks. When the chamber temperature deviates too far from the set level, it sounds a cautionary alarm. When the sample load is higher than the specifications, or when the load balance is not right, the control unit lowers the RPM speed automatically. Anytime the system senses abnormal conditions such as overheating and overcooling, it automatically stops the device and signals an alarm so that the safety of the sample and the device is constantly ensured. Through the state-of-the-art LC connected system, the user can monitor its operation status using a smartphone app at any time from anywhere, always connected 24/7. Even when you are far away for a business trip, you can easily control the incubation environment and quickly respond to any unexpected circumstances. Lab Companion has long been a reliable producer of the shakers and incubated shaker. We currently provide a full lineup of products for various sizes, usages, and conditions, with ready-made options to include an incubator and a refrigeration system. All of our products are certified by international standards like CE and CSA, and customers from over 50 nations around the world look for our products for their proven quality and performance. Lab Companion Jeio Tech was founded in 1988 with the single vision to become a reliable partner for laboratories around the world. Through our 30-year growth history, we have never forgotten our mission to continuously improve the performance and quality of our Lab Companion products. Our passion and effort will never stop until we become your true companion. Thank you.